Welcome, today in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box here, and as can you see, the first thing that was sure our REALME device here. Also we got here the paper box with a quick start guide and the safety guide here. Also I think we got here the SIM jack tool, as can you see, and the next thing, that's the charger brick, the original one in white color, REALME one, and also the last thing, that's sure our USB cable, the micro USB. So they're all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.